So this is the bottom end of the property, and you can see down rows 1 and 2 how this huge downpour is just like added pools of water. Here are the wildcats of Aberdeen. They're hot footing it around the water here. They're looking amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is a lot of water. To see this amount of water around the trees. Cats are loving it. Oh, sliding around here. Oh, look at that. Really great. Red is moaning about the water, I think. Yeah. Let's get in between rows 2 and 3. Yeah. Look at that. They are planted pumpkins and butternut. So let's see what happens from this rainwater. Look at that. Rows 4, 5 and 6 are also full. Absolutely amazing.